Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be taking you with me to ShopRite and Aldi's. I'm going to be doing a shopping haul and I'm also going to be sharing a delicious recipe. So let's just jump straight into today's video. Here I'm just leaving ShopRite and I'm going to head right over to Aldi's. I prefer to do all my shopping during the week since it seems to be less crowd during that time, and I try to get there early in the morning when they first open. I really love shopping at Aldi because they have affordable, good quality food, and they always have a great selection of home items also for a very affordable price. And if you're looking for a really good pasta sauce, definitely try this one. I'm just getting back from Aldi's and ShopRite. I'm going to share a little haul. So I did purchase some boneless chicken, some drumsticks, chicken thighs, beef chuck neck bones. I got 2 packs of those. Got some breakfast sausages, turkey and 2 beef, Hunt's ketchup, curry powder. Got 2 bags of shredded mozzarella cheese, 6 peaches. Purchased some cereal, Fruity Pebbles and Golden Crisps, Frito-Lay chips, and I got some bowl and basket spread. You definitely have to try this Philadelphia water rice, the mango flavor. It is absolutely delicious. And the Turkey Hill ice cream was on sale as well. Now I'm going to be sharing everything that I got from Aldi's. I got some pink salmon, some tilapia, jumbo shrimps, 4 yogurts, yellow cake, chocolate milk, 2% milk, turkey bacon, 2 dozen eggs, 2 packs of American cheese, real mayo, meat sauce. I got 2 of those, maple syrup, lunch meat, pancake mix, burgers for the grill, garlic powder, baking soda, sweet corn. I got 2 of those. Corned beef hash, got 2 of those. Turkey pepperoni, minced garlic, green peppers, cantaloupe, 100% apple juice, vegetable oil, organic cane sugar, cut green beans, and some broccoli. And I also got 3 cases of waters. So now I'm going to do a really quick refrigerator restock. And as you can see, the refrigerator is almost cleared out. I did clean everything out before I went to the market. We do have a deep freezer in the basement where we store most of our meats at. I always save the expiration date that comes off the egg carton. Here's a quick overview of all the food put away. My husband and I had a taste for some barbecue, so we decided to make some shish kebab. I'm starting with cutting up the green pepper and onion. I'm also going to be cutting the chicken breast in cubes, getting everything nice and prepped. Once you're finished cutting all your chicken breasts into cubes, you're going to season it with whichever seasoning you prefer. I will leave in the description the seasonings that I used. Here's an overview. Now it's time to add everything to the bamboo skewers. Another quick overview, and now my husband is adding the shish kebabs to the grill. Here's how it's looking after cooking for about 13 minutes, and as you can see, my husband decided to add some burgers. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.